Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming authority. Open Google Search Console and pick the exact property. Next, inspect a sample of URLs using coverage and URL inspection to surface which pages Google chose as canonical versus your intended URL. Export a shortlist. Compare server 301, rel equals canonical tags, and canonical HTTP headers. Once done, prioritize pages with highest traffic or conversions, because fixing those yields the fastest impact. Start with 310 high value, duplicates immediately. Now make authoritative adjustments. Add or correct rel equals canonical tags in the HTML of non-preferred pages so they target the preferred URL. At the same time, enforce single-step 301 redirects when appropriate and remove redirect chains that confuse crawlers. Make sure sitemaps and hreflang references align with your chosen canonical. Also check robots and canonical headers so every signal is consistent. If content is duplicate but intentionally separate, differentiate titles and meta to reduce duplicate detection. Finish by validating. Run URL inspection on updated and redirected pages, then request indexing so Google reprocesses your signals faster. Monitor coverage and performance reports over the next 14 days to confirm Google picked your preferred canonical and traffic stabilizes. If duplicates persist, troubleshoot by auditing server response headers and any CMS plugins that inject conflicting canonicals. Make small, isolated changes and retest each time. One key tip: clear caching layers after changes, because stale HTML or headers often mask fixes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.